Everyone. Sir, in your opinion, what is the future of democracy?
Democracy is an accepted political system, one man, one vote, one value.
How did you rise up in politics, such a massive, popular leader in the country?
I was not interested in politics. There was no background to my family. My parents are illiterate.
The reason you are popular is you are connected with the rural masses.
Yes.
You have worked with IAS, IPS.
IAS, IPS, they are going to be the administrator at the state level and at the national level. We will call them as bureaucrats. Bureaucracy and politicians, they go together with an understanding. Requirement is honesty, commitment, the mind to serve the people of the country.
So, but why we have so much corruption?
The greediness is increasing. One has to be satisfied whatever he gets as a salary or remuneration.
Youth to join politics also.
They must know what is constitution, what is democracy, the society, the caste system in India.
What is your vision for Karnataka, sir?
I appeal to all youths. They should know the problems of the society, real issues of the society. And they must think over how to solve these problems. ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಶದಲ್ಲಿ ಸಹಬಾಳ್ವೆ ಸಹಿಷ್ಣುತೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ನಮ್ಮ ಧರ್ಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ನಿಷ್ಠೆ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಪರಧರ್ಮದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಸಹಿಷ್ಣುತೆ ಇರಬೇಕು.
ಅಭಿಮಾನನೂ ಇರಬೇಕು.
ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ಬರನ್ನ ಗೌರವಿಸತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಗುಣ ಇರಬೇಕು. ಆಗ ಮಾತ್ರ ಅವ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಸಿಟಿಜನ್ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ಕಂಟ್ರಿ ಆಗಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ.